Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in ECMAScript 6. Use export to share a code block. Imagine a file called mathfunction.js that contains several functions related to mathematical operations. One of them is stored in variable. Add that add that takes in two numbers and return their sum. You want to use this function in several different JavaScript files. In order to share it with these other files, you need to export it. So we have export const add here xy are the parameters, and we get the output by adding the two parameters and returning it. The above is common way to export a single function, but you can achieve the same thing like this. First we create a constant and then export the constant like this. We can also do it like this. When you export a variable or function, you can import it in another file and use it without having to rewrite the code. You can export from multiple things by repeating the first example for each thing you want to export, or by placing them all in export statement of the second example like this. Export in the curly braces and subtract. Let's see the task for this challenge. There are two strings related functions in editor. Export both of them using the method of your choice. So we can use export like this, or we can use it like this. Export in braces upper case string comma lower case string and semicolon. Let's run the test and it should be successful. Run the test. It's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.